targets in Power Trigger Trade. All right, people, I got another big picture winner plan here. As you can see, I posted this on August the 7th. AMD is bullish. I explain the facts, a great plan and targets for AMD. And again, basically, if you go inside the video here, we're going to go right now inside the video. So I'm going to click it in here. Give me a sec. All right, people, so here we are inside of this plan here. And I said that on August 7th, that AMD, listen carefully what I said. Read it. AMD is set up to test 23 to 25. Okay, the January 18 20 calls are good to use for great gains. That's right, people. So listen up. So here it is, the January 18 to 20 calls at the time of this post here was $245. Now, on this same day, I actually posted a plan inside of PowerGroupTrades. Okay, but it didn't confirm it. Okay, and basically, well, of course, it confirmed on the 8th. Now, I said AMD needs to. I will explain inside the video. So basically, I said I will post the plan inside of PowerGroupTrades. Already, my PowerGroupTrade members already knew about it because I'm going to show you why, though. I'll show you right now in the video inside of PowerGroupTrades. But this is why. This is what's called big picture. You see, when you're the big picture expert, you can see direction. See, the stock clown, stock bookie, but bearish the SPY since 225, bearish AMD, missed a massive move, right? Massive move, safe, solid move. This is called skill, people. This is what little day traders, baby thinkers can't do. Let me show you more information, people. Let's go together. Come on, come with me, people. Come on. All right, people. So here I am, August the 7th. This is where I posted this as the market was going up. Let's go together. Listen. So basically here was August the 7th, and it says chart based at 1:50 p.m. Now AMD wouldn't confirm, okay, what I wanted. It was close. It didn't confirm. But I said, AMD, you can start a position as AMD gets over 1970 with the January 18 20 calls. Now, as you can see, the calls at the time, even at this price, 1966, AMD cost $245 an option. All right, so let me close this up now. Okay, and then I posted the plan, the heads up to people of, again, I'm telling the people what options to use, targets, and of course, a lot of times things go above my targets, but I can see the big picture. Unlike the stock clown, I see the big picture. Unlike a lot of clowns out there, they're just baby traders. Baby! You understand what I'm talking about? They don't have big picture skills. Okay, let me show you something now. So here it is. AMD, August 8th. AMD confirming with the January 18 20 calls at 250. So we paid $250. I gave the green light basically. Because of course AMD confirmed, right? So now, let's go take a look at the outcome so far. And again, this was August the 7th. Okay? From August the 8th. Let's take a look now. All right, people. So here we are in the charts. Okay. So here you can see here. I'm going to move this a bit over here. Here's the January 18. Here's the 20 calls. They closed so far, and again, it's still going higher, right? And where do we close? 23.98, practically 24. We're in between my two targets, 23 to 25. Most likely, AMD easily is going to go to 25 and higher. We've got plenty of time. We got the right options. You know, I chose the January. Okay. Now we could have even went with September's, but I chose the January calls. I wanted it to have the value gains and the time gains. But anyways, this is what we chose, and you could see greater than 100%. They have doubled, right? Because from $250 to $500 an option, that's doubling, and we're above that. Okay, so greater than 100% gains. Again, big picture thinking. And at the same time, the SPY was very choppy. AMD kept going up. See, we were making these gains while the SPY was choppy. And then today, Friday, being the close, August 24th, SPY breaks out to new highs. Again, big picture thinking, big picture skills, yours truly. I've been talking about this since April, the big picture. I'm the big picture expert. All these traders out there, they're babies. They're baby thinkers. They have no skills. I'm the big picture expert, and I prove this over and over again for every type of investors, whether they want to be small, like something like AMD or a Google. Let me show you something, people. I'm the big picture expert. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right. Listen, do yourself a favor. See this pinned tweet video? It explains how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. Study that video. Enough said. Now, also, go to my YouTube channel right over here. Let's go together. The video kind of tells you that. Okay, so listen up, people. What you want to do is study this created playlist, okay? Now, you know, we make great gains in stuff like Apple, Google L. You got to check out listen to me. We're talking about Google L, Apple, Netflix, you name it, Amazon, Google, you name it, we've been making the gains. And I just demonstrated you the AMD. Whether it's a slow-moving stock, a fast-moving stocks, we're making the gains. We are making the gains. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe. Also, check out my website. Let me show you. Let's click over here. Here's my website, okay? Now, this video here is a very good video. It's a very good story. See this video. You want to understand what I'm about. I am the big picture expert. You understand? Billionaire mind thinking. Not these baby trader, pop traders who trade like they have no skill. They can't do this stuff. They have no vision. You want the advice. You want to grow with the big picture expert. Anyways, people, subscribe. Hit the subscription, subscribe, all right? That's how you do that. A lot of great things happening. All right, people. So anyways, people, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe menu. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside the video. Right inside this video, I'm going to talk to you one-on-one. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like